This is what you need that will help you to detoxify your liver so that you will not be having liver issue. Go and get this fruit that I'm about to mention now. You get carrots. 2 carrots is okay. When you get 2 carrots, you're going to add 1 apple to it. 2 carrots, 1 apple, 1 beetroot, and a slice of ginger. Apple, carrot, beetroot, slice of ginger. You see this item, rinse it very well, put everything inside blender, add little water, blend it. When you blend it, you do what you sieve the water, the juice rather, add 2 teaspoons of lime juice and drink it. Do this at least twice in a week. This will help you to detoxify your liver so that you will not be having any liver issue. Your health is your wealth. Please share this video for others and say thank you under the comment section. It will help you to flush out any bacteria that cause gonorrhea, staphylococcus infection, and both oral and genital herpes. This is just bitter leaf and coconut water. So I've done this video a long time ago, and let me bring it again for my new follower. You get coconut water. It also have a lot of things that's also doing you, like it help you to lower your blood the charge from the organs. Another thing that it will also help you to, it will also food and stomach ash. Another thing that you also go for, it will also detoxify your liver against any harmful substance. So what you need to get is a coconut water and bitter leaf. Although it still have a lot of health benefits that I will still mention after giving you the recipe. So you get a coconut water, you get bitter leaf. You see this bitter leaf, don't blend it. You can put it inside water, pound it little. You rinse it before pounding, then you add the coconut water to it. Leave it there for at least, let's say, 8 hours. After 8 hours or 24 hours, you go there, extract the juice. Use your hand to massage it very well to squeeze it and extract the juice. Then you can keep the juice for at least 3 days before you prepare another one. You start taking 1 shot per day. 1 shot, you take it in the morning, 1 shot per day. Make sure you use coconut water. Don't use ordinary water. Coconut water to extract the juice. So that's how you'll be doing it. The other thing that also help you for, I said I cannot mention it all, but it's good for overall well-being. It help you to reduce excess fat and excess sugar from the body. Especially those that have a diabetes issue, it help you a lot. Then it also help you to eliminate worms. So worms are responsible for arch in the stomach. It will help you to eliminate it. It will also help you to keep your kidney in good shape. It also reduce cholesterol. Then it's also good for weight loss. It helps you to reduce fat. So what are you waiting for, guys? Just go and do it the way I said you should do it. Do it for at least a week. You stop it. Then you take a break for a week. Take a break for a week. After a week, you continue again. This is how you do it for a month and you stop. Very effective. Overall wellness, man. So let me share the video for others and say thank you under the comment section. If you have too much sugar in your body and at the same time you still have a erectile issue, you cannot perform well as a man, go for this and you will thank me later. Get onion. When you get onion, you will slice it like this. When you slice everything, put it in the cup. After slicing it, you put in the cup, then you add in a hot water. You add hot water to it. After adding hot water, then you go in with lime. Then you add in a lime juice. 2 teaspoons is okay. Then you cover it. After covering it for 10 minutes or 5 minutes, you will now strain the water and drink it. Believe me, you are going to see changes. Do this for 5 days and you see changes. The sugar will be reduced and you will be able to perform well as a man. Very effective. Very, very effective. You can perform, but you cannot last longer. You can do it with your woman, but within 1 minute you will do what you will release. Just go and try this leaf you are seeing my hand. Even at times you will use that those concoction of marale that will still give you energy, but still yet you will not have stamina to perform well. You will do it but you will not have stamina to perform well. This remedy is for man. You understand? Yoruba will call this leaf you are seeing in my hand here ewe ajeobale. If you know the English name, drop it under the comment section. You can get this leaf from any uh herbal shop that are selling herbal ingredients. So you get this leaf. When you get this leaf ajeobale, so when you get it, look for water. Use the water to squeeze it very well. You can even put it in a mortar, in a mortar. After rinsing it, put it in a mortar, pound it, then you pack it, put it inside water, and use your hand to do what, to stir it very well. Then you extract the juice. So you extract the juice, start drinking it. One shot in the morning, one shot in the evening. Drink it for 7 days. After 7 days, you stop it. Then you now buy original honey. This one you are going to start drinking it after taking this one for 7. So after taking this one for 7 days, then you continue drinking the one I'm about to tell you now. So that one, you get original honey. Make sure it's original honey, oyin original. So there's this root that you call it egbo ogbolo. When you get to those people, just tell them egbo ogbolo. Even pregnant woman used to drink this when it's 9 months of 7 months. If you are already in 7 months, this root egbo ogbolo, put it in cut it small, put it in a bucket, in a container, add water and soak it. It used to draw like this. Understand? So be taking it. That one is for pregnant woman. Be drinking it. You see that on the delivery day, everything will be easily. No stress, no pain. The baby will come easily. Then, as I'm saying for the other one, for man, you get the original honey, you get the root. The root, you are going to make it powder. You need the powder one. You buy it. You after buying it, you be the one that will pound it, make it powder. Then you mix it with original honey. If possible, you can get stonebreaker leaf. Mix the two roots. Mix the root together with the stonebreaker leaf. Make everything powder. But if you cannot get it, use ordinary the ogbolo root. So mix it with the honey. You're going to be taking it 2 spoon morning and evening. Do it for 7 days. Then after 7 days, you stop it. Come back and give testimony under this post. You come back and give testimony under this post. I'm telling you, you will stop wasting money after you discover this thing. After you see the result, you will not waste money. You used to drink all the manpower before. After drinking it, within 1 minute like this, you will not have stamina, you will not have strength to do more. Even that thing will do what? Will fall. You also have erectile dysfunction, that this thing will not be able to work well again. Go and try it. Very effective, and you will see that you will be happy at the end of the day. Guys, do well by sharing this video and say thank you under the comment section. Nature have always provided everything we need in life that will make us to live long, but so many people ignore it. Guys, Yoruba will call this thing gbogbo share. If you're having bacteria or infection in your body, this will help you to detoxify it. Just be taking it 3 times in 2 or 3 weeks or in a month. So make sure you always do that, and give your children as well. Go and help me get onion. You get onion. When you get one onion like this, remove the back, peel it, then you slice it, put it in a container where you can soak something in. Then you get clove. Everybody know clove, right? You get clove. This is clove. You get it. When you get clove, add it to the container as well. Then you get a garlic, ayo. You might call it ayo. You get garlic. This is garlic. When you get 1 bulb of onion, you get garlic like 6 pieces of garlic. Then the clove, get maybe 1 teaspoon of clove. So pour everything inside the container. You're going to use lime juice or lime juice to soak it. If you cannot use juice, then you cannot find it, you can use water. You use water. If you want to use water, make sure you use this tablet camphor. If I call it camphor apelebe, to preserve it so that it will not spoil your time. Understand? Soak it for at least 1 day, which is 24 hours. After that, be taking 1 shot in a day. Drink it in the morning before eating anything. This will help you a lot. And if you want to give your children, you give them 1 spoon to drink. Drink it once in the morning, once in the night. You understand? Do it for 3 days. For 3 days and stop it. Guys, we are going to thank God. So this is what nature have given us. It will help you to detoxify your body, your infection, bacteria, and it will help you to what, to flush it out. Be doing this and infection will not locate you. Share the video for others and say thank you under the comment section. This leaf is excellent for eczema, ringworm, and skin rashes. If you have any one of it, just try to extract the juice, pound it and extract the juice. After extracting the juice, then you'll be applying it on the affected area. If you're having skin rashes, apply it. You can children can use it, adults can use it. If it's eczema, just apply direct to the place. Or ringworm, look for something to just peel the place little, and then you do what? Apply it. Do this continuously. Within 3 days, I'm telling you, you are going to see perfect results. Perfect one, new. Because this leaf you are seeing here is very effective for it. And if you want to drink it as well, you can also drink it, just boil it. But that does not stop you of applying it to the affected area. When you are drinking it, does not stop you from applying it. Then just look for it, cut it, rinse it very well, put it in a pot, boil it, but don't drink it too much. You're going to drink half a cup in a day is okay. Half a pot in a day, half a cup rather in a day is okay, because it may make you to purge. So guys, please, if you watch this video to the end, say there's power in nature and share the video for others. Say thank you to appreciate the work. Bye for now. So the name of the leaf is cassia alata leaf. Yoruba people call it ewe asunwon oyinbo.